Hello and welcome to iWin, the International Winners Information Network. Hi, I'm Jennifer Salhe, and I'm so excited to be sharing this video with you today. Now, here I am on Facebook, and if we're not connected already, go ahead and connect with me. That's at facebook.com/Jennifer Salhe. I'm standing here on North African soil. All right, I'm standing here and I'm so excited to have the freedom to choose what business I do, how I promote it, and how I live my life. I'm just really, really excited to be sharing this opportunity with you because it works for just about anybody, anywhere. I'm talking that this business is completely mobile. It can be ran from even the continent of Africa. So what I want to say is this is facts and verifiable proof is what you want to see. There's nothing to buy here right now. You're going to get paid daily. There's no admin fees, and I just want to say this is totally legal, totally reliable. You can work from home and it costs nothing to start. So if you can search the web and check your email, then you can do this. Now, I mean, it's as simple as getting your PayPal started. If you don't have it already, it's free, but there's other choices as far as getting paid as well, so don't worry about it. All you need is your own PC, not like something you're going to the library, but you have your own PC, an email address, and this is a completely no spam zone business. Get started today, get making money today. There's no cold calling, no MLM. It's not a multi-level marketing uh, um, opportunity. It's not a BizOp scam, but you are a full-time or part-time referral agent, and you have no selling ever, no quotas to make, and no experience needed. But you know, the getting started training is so simple and so easy that just about anybody can do it, and you're going to make $20 an hour, up to several $100 a day with your skilled marketing training. But the more time you invest, the more knowledge that you have, the more money that you're going to make, because direct response marketing is making people money today. And all you're going to do is introduce people to try these Fortune 500 company trial offers, products, and services that these companies want people to try their offers, because TV and radio, you know all about that marketing, and DVR machines, and I mean, things are just commercial free, but online, people are going to see products, services, and offers, and they're going to pay people like me and you to refer others. It's just participating in one trial, and you get paid cash. You can sign up to the trial offers. This costs you nothing, but you get paid. Try them, not buy them. And so it's a step-by-step system for how you get started. You can get started right away. I'm telling you, it's just so awesome. Complete 4 to 7 trial offers, one time only, and you're going to be eligible to make money. There's no money needed to make money online getting started here. So you need a selling and telling system to leverage your time, but you need a traffic system to leverage your time. So we're going to put all that together for you. This is just the most awesome system that I've seen before my eyes that I'm using. I'm getting completely just goosebumps on how easy it is. I've spent so much time online learning the system, and I tell you what, I haven't seen anything like this before. So what I want to show you is it's just going to be 4 steps. You're going to get paid daily, alright? Exposed. Turn $7 into $98 payments over and over again. And step 1, there's no money to join. Step 2, there's no money to join, but money to be made. Here you're going to have your bonus instant 100% commissions. And step 4, get your free marketing system. So I highly recommend you get started with step 1. My phone number, my email address, and everything is right there. Just go ahead and get started, connect with me, and we can do it together. I can help you get started on the fast track so you can make money right away in this industry. Okay, this is Jennifer Solly signing out for now. Until next time, until I see you on the other side. Okay, bye-bye.